Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Sandy Duran from 3 Angels for Kids and 3 Angels for Today, and I've got good news for you. On May 1 at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, we are kicking off Finishing Strong. Throughout the North American divisions, schools will be joining together for a dynamic week of prayer that you do not want to miss. Each year, the South Atlantic Conference sponsors this awesome event, and this year we've made it even better. For the first time ever, we're offering 2 sessions simultaneously, one for upper grades and one for lower grades. Your school can participate in the grades K to 4 week of prayer or the grades 5 through 12 week of prayer. And if you're a one-teacher school and you're not sure which one to go with, just pick one. You can't go wrong. And you can always tune into the other one on our YouTube channel later. And there's even more that I have to share with you. These sessions are totally interactive. Grades K to 4, be ready. You are going to need a nice clean piece of drawing paper, crayons, markers, colored pencils, all your art supplies. At the end of every single day, you will be drawing with us to help you remember what you learned. Pretty cool, right? And we would love to have you share your work with us. You can do that right on our Facebook group page, and we love to see the student work. Many times, students post their pictures for us, and this is tremendous. And upper grades, don't think you're going to get away with just sitting there like a lump on a bump or something. You won't be drawing with us today, but you will definitely be participating. Every so often, you will be asked to stop the video, and you'll have a chance to share with your neighbor, share your thoughts, your reactions, and we want to hear from you as well. So put your questions, your comments on our Facebook page as well, on our Facebook group page. So you ready to get together? May 1 through 5, 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Our topic is the 3 Angels messages like you have never heard it before. Lower grades, you'll be focusing on Angel 1, God the Creator, and you will be discovering all kinds of interesting things God made. And you students in grades 5 through 12, you're going to have an action-packed week as well. You will be drawn closer to Jesus and learn how to stand up for your faith and be brave as you discover the deep and practical messages of Revelation 14. So set your timers, your watches, your clocks, your cell phones. May 1 through 5, 2023, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And you will find the links for each session on the South Atlantic Conference landing page, Finishing Strong. I can't wait to find out what the Lord is going to do across the North American division. See you soon.